A small hole of area of cross section 2 mm square is present near the bottom of a fully filled tank of height 2 meter, taking 10 meter square, G is 10 meter per second square. The rate of flow of water through the open hole would nearly 8.9 into 10 to the power minus 6, 2.23 into 10 to the power minus 6, 6.4 into 10 to the power minus 6, 12.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter per cubic meter per second. एक टैंक this is a hole near the bottom. Tank is fully filled. The height 2 meter. H and that is 2 मीटर. यहाँ पर जो हॉल का एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन 2 mm स्क्वायर, 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square, and G is 10 meter per second square. सपोज यहाँ से जो वाटर फ्लो करता है उसकी वेलोसिटी इज v, तो v विल बी इक्वल टू रूट 2gh 2 into 10 into 2 रूट 40 अंडर रूट. रूट 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो रेट ऑफ फ्लो of water Q will be area of cross section into V. 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 2 root 10 cubic meter per second, and this comes 12.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube per second. The discharge at 12.6 into 10 to the power minus 6. This D is correct option. Next, a soap bubble having radius 1 mm is blown from the detergent solution having surface tension T 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter. The pressure inside the bubble equals to a point Z below the free surface of water in a container. Take G is 10 meter per second square. Density of water 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. The value of Z is एक सोप बबल, इसकी रेडियस 1 mm, R is equal to 1 mm or 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Surface tension T is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter. Inside pressure, तो inside pressure है P inside, outside pressure is atmospheric pressure PA. axis pressure is Pi minus Pa, and that will be equal to 4T by R. So, P inside minus Pa is equal to 4. T is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 by R is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is 100 Newton per meter square. So, P inside will be P atmosphere pressure plus 100, equation number 1. Next condition है, the pressure inside the bubble equals to at a point Z below the free surface pressure at Z. Z एक कंटेनर है, एक कोई कंटेनर, इस it contains water and density of water is 1000 या 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. G is 10 meter per second square. टॉप सरफेस से एक जेड डेप्थ पर a point, there is a point A. This is Z. तो A पर प्रेशर होगा, अगर इसको हम P एज्यूम करें तो यहाँ पर प्रेशर अगर P है और सरफेस पर प्रेशर इज एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर Pa, तो P विल बी Pa प्लस रो G Z, और Pa plus rho is 10 to the power 3 into 10 into Z, और Pa plus 10 to the power 4 Z, and it is given that P is equal to Pi. Equation number 1 say Pi is Pa plus 100, equation 1. P is equal to Pa Pi inside the bubble, तो प्रेशर है, तो Pa plus 10 to the power 4 Z is equal to Pa plus 100. Pa से Pa क्रॉस हो गया, Z is equal to 100 by 10 to the power 4 meter or 10 to the power minus 2 meter. This 10 to the power 2 is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. So B is correct option. Next, two small spherical metal balls having equal masses are made from materials of different densities, rho 1 and rho 2. Rho 1 is equal to 8 rho 2 and radii of 1 mm and 2 mm respectively. They are made to fall vertically from rest in viscous medium whose coefficient of viscosity is eta and whose density is 0.1 rho 2. The ratio of their terminal velocities would be 79 by 72, 19 by 36, 39 by 72 and 79 by 36. Two balls. This is ball A and this is ball B. Radius of ball A R1 is 1 mm. R1 is 1 mm or 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, and B की रेडियस है R2 2 mm या 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Density of ball A is rho 1, density of ball 2 is rho 2. Masses of both balls are equal. So mass will be of a volume 4 pi into R1 की पावर 3 into rho 1. Similarly, जो B बॉल का मास होगा 4/3 pi R2 cube into rho 2. Mass are equal, hence this will be equal to this. So 4/3 pi R1 cube into rho 1 will be equal to 4/3 pi R2 cube into rho 2. 4/3 pi से क्रॉस हो गया. R1 is 1 into 10 to the power 3 इसका क्यूब into rho 1 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 का क्यूब into rho 2. इससे आ जाता है rho 1 is 8 rho 2. And density of this liquid is given as 0.1 rho 2. So terminal velocity of ball 1 V1 will be 2 R1 square G by 9 eta rho 1 minus rho 2 R1 square G by 9 eta. Rho 1 is 8 rho 2 minus, and rho is 0.1 rho 2. 2 R1 square G by 9 eta into 7.9 rho 2. V2 will be 2 R2 square G by 9 eta rho 2 minus rho. 2 R2 square G 9 eta rho 2 minus 0.1 rho 2. 2 R2 square G by 9 eta into 0.9 rho 2. So V1 ratio V2 will be 2 R1 square G into 7.9 rho 2 by 9 eta divided by 2 R2 square G by 9 eta into 0.9 rho 2. R1 square into 7.9 by R2 square into 0.9, or 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 का square into 7.9 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 का square into 0.9. 7.9 by 4 into 0.9, 79 by 36. The ratio will be 79/36. This D is correct option. Next, in a U-tube as shown in the figure, water and oil are in the left side and right side of the tube respectively. The heights of the bottom 4 water and oil columns is 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter respectively. The density of oil is, here raw water is 1000 kg per meter cube, 1200, 750, 1000 and 1333. बॉटम पर मैं सपोज एक पॉइंट ए, इस एक पॉइंट लिया हमने बॉटम पर ए एंड दिस इज बी. पी ए अगर इसकी वाटर की डेंसिटी को हम रो डब्ल्यू से डिनोट करें एंड ऑयल की डेंसिटी को हम रो ओ से डिनोट करें, तो पी ए विल बी रो डब्ल्यू जी इंटू एच. H is 0.15 meter and PB will be equal to rho oil into Z into height to 0. A and B are at same level, hence PA will be equal to PB. Rho W G into 0.15 rho oil into Z 0.20. इसे G क्रॉस हो गया तो rho O is equal to 0.15 by 0.20 into rho W or 3/4 into 1750 kg per meter cube. ऑयल की डेंसिटी होगी दैट इज 750 kg per meter cube. बी इज करेक्ट.